Like you'd be top tier. You'd be in this upper echelon of trading.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another market recap video. It's Nux Trades, and today I'm going to be going over July 18th, and we're just going to talk through some of the trades I took this afternoon. I was actually unable to be on the charts for the majority of the day today. I was here this afternoon, and again, just another huge trend day. This is getting kind of into weird territory. Will we keep trending, or are we gonna stop and reverse? I mean, we're really just gonna have to wait and see. Personally, I have been kind of on hold with the model we've been using, just because um, the model that I typically use is way better when we chop and we don't have these huge trend days, because right now we're just trying to scalp reversals. And I did go back and look through the market data this morning, and we did have one entry using the model that did fail this morning. And like I said, I was unable to trade this morning, so this is a trade I didn't take. But I'll just run through that very quickly, and then I'll get into the trades that I actually did take. So this is our eight o'clock open right there, and midnight open here. And as you can see, we definitely take out our highs. So we're looking for shorts through here, and we get this fair value gap right here. And obviously, this isn't the greatest entry in the world. This is more of a low risk buy, and I've talked about, or a low risk sell, and I've talked about that in a couple other videos as well. The difference between a good entry, a plus entry, and a low risk sell. Um, there's really no clean market structure shift right here, and we still have all of these bullish PD arrays that we're respecting. So if you entered right here, you would have just lost a couple of handles. It wasn't anything too serious, like 3 handles. So that's just kind of the way it goes right now. If you're not buying and holding long during these trend markets, then you're most likely either going to get stopped out or you're just scalping entries. But I can go through the entries I did take today. So first of all, I got back on the charts at about 1 o'clock. Saw we had these super bullish reaction here off of this PD array touching this fair value gap all the way down here, moving us into discount. And I looked at this 5 minute gap as our confirmation entry, and I've also covered that in a couple other videos as well. So confirmation entry, we had two fair value gaps right here. Have to enter on the first one, so I took my first partial on the first entry here, second partial entry on the second one, or on the second fair value gap here. So with that, my first partial got taken at 5 handles right here, and I was able to hold this all the way until 10 handles, where I took off the rest of my position here. And then on my next trade, I tried to take a long off of this fair value gap, this 5 minute right here. Because I mean we're just moving so far up, and I don't think a single bullish fair value gap has not been respected today. So we're just trending off of that, and we're just buying and holding long right now. So I tried to take one here, and I obviously did not have my stop loss down here, because I would have won this trade a ton if I did that. But um, me being pretty risk conservative today, and getting that good win this morning, I wanted to make sure that I secured some profits. So I had my stop loss, not respecting this low, and I did get stopped out on that trade. So that was my second trade of the day. And then my third trade that I took was a long off of this 1 minute fair value gap right here. I looked at this as the 5 minute confirmation entry that I just tried to long before that, and I was able to snag 5 handles off of this as well. So I did end up going 2 for 3 today. I had about, I think it was 250 to $300 in profits today. But yeah, I just want to reiterate, man, like this is just a weird market right now. It's a weird time where we're not really gonna be able to catch a lot of reversals, right? Because if you look at this market, I mean, gosh, this is just insane. Since open today at 9:30, we've rallied 48 up to 50 handles, like over 50 handles today, and it's just something that is just gonna keep happening, and eventually we're gonna stop this bull market, and we're gonna get some downside. So we're gonna either retrace or we're gonna consolidate. But if you think about your price delivery array, it's gonna be um, going from expansion to retracement because we have to retrace at some point and take back all of this liquidity. I mean, it's just it's crazy. It's so much liquidity down, but nonetheless, we right now we are trading in different and difficult market conditions. So if you are losing right now, definitely do not let that get to your head and keep your head up. Keep trading. If you need any advice or any assistance, my Twitter DMs are always available at Nux Trades. And if you guys have any questions on the video or um, would like to join the Discord where I try to be as active as possible, uh, just go on and links in my Twitter bio for the Discord and send me any questions on my Twitter DM. But very short video today. Maybe I'll take something before the end of the day and I'll throw the clip in at the end of this video. But if not, I appreciate you guys. Stay safe in these markets. This is a weird time. But nonetheless, good luck trading and keep going, guys. Thanks.